What's your name?
Mike.
Mike and?
Connor.
Connor. Nice to meet you.
Nice
Mike
to meet
and Connor. You want a hair transplant as far as I know. Is it true?
Yeah.
Sort of. This guy's on the fence. I might bail.
Okay.
Thinking about a bail.
You have allergic to strawberries.
We're allergic to strawberries,
But not medication against medication.
He's allergic to salads too.
I mean, what are we doing, dude? What are we doing?
You had a tonsil removed
Yes.
and wisdom teeth.
Yes.
During wisdom teeth extraction, do you feel too much pain or what do you think?
A lot of pain.
A lot of pain.
A lot of pain.
Are you ready for the more pain?
Are you ready for more pain? Yo, I'm out. Is it going to be a lot of pain?
A little bit more, but a little bit more time actually.
Dr. Z, is it true that gingers have like a higher pain tolerance?
We will see.
Find out.
Do you smoke?
Yeah.
Do you drink alcohol?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it, say if halfway through the procedure, he's starting to feel pain again, is he allowed to ask for more shots of anesthesia?
Yes, we can use more.
I am extremely nervous.
Okay, we will continue slowly. Don't worry.
Okay.
First of all, I want to examine your donor area. Okay, please look down. You have thinning, especially the frontal area.
Yeah.
And also the crown parts, you have thinning a little bit.
Yeah.
We will focus especially the frontal parts.
Yeah.
Small area. And also just a bit reinforced the crown.
Okay.
Okay. We will take your hairs from the back, also from the sides.
Okay. I got a lot of hair, right?
Yes.
I probably don't even need this surgery, right?
I think so.
Think I need it?
You don't need.
What? What?
You don't need.
I do need, right? Or no?
Maybe the frontal area. Yes.
Frontal, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think in 5 years he'll be thankful he got this.
You have thinning also the crown parts, middle parts. Also, you have hairline receding these corners,
Okay.
especially.
Okay.
And when I look your hairs to these parts, you have thinning.
Thinning.
I want to add some hairs to reinforce this part.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you have to shave it?
I think we have to shave your donor area, but these parts we can do, I think, without shaving.
Keep it?
Yes.
Okay.
I think so. I will draw the frontal line, and we will discuss together.
Okay. Mook, what if you took my donor hairs and I took yours? So I had a little red, you had a little blonde.
Little hair swap?
That wouldn't be bad.
I mean, you guys would be brothers for life.
That'd be so cool.
We do
I have
pubes
my-
too?
Yeah, let's do it. But mine are dark down there. My carpet doesn't match my drapes.
Does your carpet match your drapes, Mook?
Oh yeah.
You got a little Max Crosby going right now. Or something.
Can I see?
Oh!
Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah.
Coolest pre-transplant haircut of the trip so
I'll
far.
take that. That's a W. All right, we ready? I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. And things are changing. Oh, fucker. Oh, fucking fuck. Fucker, fucking bitch.
Is it okay if he swears?
Ah, motherfucker. What is happening right now?
Just give me a little hammy massage.
You're getting a hamstring massage by White Sox Dave while a Turkish lady pumps your scalp full of needles.
Oh my God.
What's that song that they always sing in British pubs?
Stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea.
We'll keep it dry, we'll be your guy when you just need my help. Just please go to Estenove, leave a review on Yelp. Because we want to take care of you and get you new hair. So just go sit down in there and never even have a care. Cause we're gonna stand by you on a mountain.
I wanna bathe with you in the sea.
All right, well, we'll be here if you need anything.
Thank you.
Actually, I think I'm leaving to go to a Mexican restaurant.
I want to explain some details about the aftercare procedure.
Okay, please.
Don't drive.
Don't drive.
Don't drive.
For how long?
24 hours.
Oh.
Don't worry. Do you want today?
No, I ain't driving today.
I don't think
He has a long commute to work.
I would never want to drive in this city, to be honest with you. How's the foam feel?
Foamy, for sure.
Foamy for sure?
Yeah, foamy
So,
for sure.
Did you get any sleep last night, Mook?
Yeah, I actually did. Slept well. Just would get up every few hours just to like
Yeah.
feel my head, you know?
Yeah. I think when you get the bandages off, you'll at least feel. Some people say 1,000,000 times better. I can only guarantee you'll feel better.
Holy shit, it's cold. Oh my god.
How does it feel, Mikey?
Feels great. Feel like $1,000,000.